Watch as these crime-fighting heroes trade in their capes for biker jackets. Because nothing says justice like superheroes on motorcycles, racing through the city at speeds that would make even Superman's hair gel fly off. That's a wrap, folks. If you want to keep up with the fastest, most daring motorcycle riding superheroes out there, don't forget to rev that subscribe button and join our super-powered squad. Stay tuned for more high-octane adventures and two-wheel thrills. Until then, ride safe and heroically.